Hi everyone, welcome back to this channel. In this tutorial, I will show you how to get the golden king crab in Heartopia. This king crab has a big size and with golden color like this. I think it's perfect if you want to decorate your aquarium or if you are a collector and want this one. And to catch it, you need to go to the sea fishing event. It held in the fishing village, and then it spawns all day, but it only spawns at the rainbow weather. So when the rainbow weather comes, just go to the fishing village to join the sea fishing event. This one, just join this event, and then if you want a higher chance to get it, you can use fish attractor to attract more rare fish, and you can also use mermaid perfumes to make you easy when you catch it. And okay, that's it. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more tutorials. Thanks for watching and see you.